Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on TECNO Spark 20 Pro. So first, let's start off by trying to clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So make sure whenever you actually clean it, then that's non-metallic because you can only damage the port and that will make things much worse. So make sure to use a non-metallic tool, and after that what you guys can try is basically go to your phone. Now try calling somebody and see if the microphone is working. So you can either take your second phone and here make a call while muting the second one to test the microphone if it's working. If not, then what you guys can do is restart the phone because it can fix a lot of minor glitches, including the microphone not working. So hold the power button, keep on holding until you guys see either power off or restart. We're gonna click restart, you need to click it twice, and I'll see you guys once the phone is back on. So after restarting the phone, re-enter the password, and next one you guys can update software to fix any mic glitches. So wait for your phone to turn fully back on. So I'll wait until everything is loaded here, like the suggestions widget. Now let's go over to settings, and here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the system. Now in here we will have the system update. Now go to online update, and now check for updates if you have any available. If you do, then do them because they can fix a lot of glitches, including the microphone ones. So after that, if this didn't help, then as a last resort, I recommend you guys backing up your data first in the Google Drive section. Here, back to Google Drive, then going to reset phone and clicking erase all data. Basically, this will erase everything like your downloaded apps, any personal information, and much more. It will be brought back to the state when you first got it and first unboxed it. So basically do that. If your mic is still not working, enter your password if you have one and click erase all data right here. So basically that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.